Hey guys, today we're making refreshing herb tomatoes and we're going to serve that on a toasted sourdough bread. This is the perfect snack for those hot summer days. I just finished giving my tomatoes a good wash and setting up my workstation. To prepare my tomato, I start by cutting the ends. Then I cut them in half lengthwise and remove the seeds. Removing the seeds is optional, but it's my preferred method. Okay, now I'm also going to take a small onion and I'm going to mince it up pretty good and add this to my tomato. We're going to add those to our tomato. Okay guys, we're going to get our little simple refreshing herb tomatoes together. We have onion and tomato in here, and I had like 6 Roman tomato. I have one more ingredient I need to grab. 1 second. Okay, now you can choose to use fresh herbs or dried herbs. In my case, I'm using dried herbs. And the herb that I'm going to use today is this Italian herb and garlic. So if you don't have this, you can just add garlic and your other herbs if you like. But this, it smells so good. There you have it. So I'm going to put like a nice little tablespoon in there, and maybe a little more. Okay, you got to have something with some salt content, and this particular seasoning does, and this is roasted garlic and herbs. And we're going to put a couple of shakes in there. Got to season it up. I love this in the summertime. It is so good. And that's all we have so far. Okay. Then we're going to go in there with a little basil. A couple of shakes of basil in there. And y'all know I love Saison, so I'm gonna put some of that in mine. It's not a must, it's just what I like. Alright, get that all stirred up in there. Now tell me that doesn't look refreshing already. And now we're going to go in with some olive oil. And this is what I have here, some olive oil. We're just going to go in with some olive oil. And we probably started with about 1/4 of a cup. It's probably about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil for this amount of tomato. Oh guys, that looks so good. I love it. And as this set and all the flavors marry together, oh my God, it's even more delicious. Even more delicious. Alright, I know we gotta taste it before we move on. Hold on. Alright, let's see what we got here. Something is missing for me. Hold on. We're going to go in with some garlic powder, some onion powder. We just sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And this is just a freehand recipe. We're going to go to taste on this one. I also have some garlic powder that I'm adding. Get that mixed in there. Alright, we're going to get another little dip. Delicious, guys, delicious. We still going to need some salt. We're going to hit it with a little pink Himalayan salt. Just a little. A little goes a long way. Alright, let's get that in there. Look at that. Alright, let's try it again. The flavor is pulling straight through. That is good. That is good. I'm telling you, the longer it sits, the better it is. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more olive oil, just a hint more. Because I'm gonna serve mine up on some toasted bread. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Some fine herb tomatoes. In the Italian world, they call it bruschetta. Alright, let's see. That is good. That is good. Love it, love it, love it. We're going to take this and put it in the refrigerator. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve it up. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I serve up my my herb tomato. I like to use a thick bread, and today is sourdough bread. So I have some sourdough bread here, and it's just for me for right now, so I'm going to use 2 slices of my sourdough bread. Might have to do 4. We're going to go ahead and drizzle it with some olive oil. And I have my griddle here, and I'm gonna flip it right down on my griddle. Okay, just like that. And then on the top side here, we're going to go ahead and drizzle olive oil on it as well. Let's give it a good drizzle. Going to let our bread get nice and toasted. And I have one more added ingredient that I really enjoy on this particular dish. Okay guys, it's been about 3 minutes and we're going to go ahead and flip our bread over. And look how nice and golden brown that is. Looks delicious already. And we just have olive oil on it. Oh my gosh, I love this. So beautiful. I have some sliced mozzarella cheese here. I'm just going to take that and cut it in half. And lay it right on top of each slice of bread. I'm telling you, this is a refreshing little dish. I love it during this hot summer weather. Nice and refreshing. So while the other side of that bread toasts, our mozzarella cheese will get melted. We'll be back. I've got my dish all the way complete, and we're about to taste this. This is our sourdough bread with some mozzarella melted on top. I'm gonna go ahead and break that in half. No, let's go ahead and add us some of our tomato. Oh my gosh. Get a little bit of that juice and add on there. Ooh, go ahead and take a look at that. Wow. Let's get a thumbnail. Let's taste. It's so good. So, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And I really will appreciate that. Always remember to keep life simple. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now. And stay cool. Bye.